EURUSD this week has rise in value. We can see the start of the week where the price has reached the start of this demand zone at 1.07986, and then the price rised up to a first supply zone here around 1.085 price level, where the price has formed this bearish pin bar, and from there the price started to drop down, and for the rest of the week the price has gone down, reaching the demand zone here at 1.07825. Now we can see the price on Friday has tried to reach even more down, where the price has reached 1.077 price level and then make a retrace back up. So the Friday has closed as indecision candle. Looking on the weekly time frame, we can see that this week has closed as a bearish candle, where the price has tried to rise up, bouncing from this support level, and then the price reverses back down, but the price did not close below the very important level, which is 1.07825. Now this is a weekly, this is a monthly time frame, where we can see this is the month how it is ended, and we can see that the price has formed indecision candle like in the previous month. So the prices stay above 1.07825 as a great demand zone, as a support level for the price, and we can see that the prices try to go up, reaching 1.09860. So this is indecision on the market, where we have 2 months very close to each of the other of the open and close price of these candles bodies. So this is indicating indecision on the market, where we need to see where the price will make a breakout. Will the price go down and continue to lose its price value, or it will return back up? So this is an area that we need to follow on the lower time frames, like a daily time frame, to see where the price will make a breakout. Now for the monthly time frame, we can see after the price makes this kind of indecision candles, usually this is continuation of this bearish trend. In this case, I am expecting that the price will reach 1.06828 in the next month, but only if the price goes below this one, which is 1.07825, and this is something that we will see on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is also at a very critical level, and this is the same demand zone, a support level 1.07825. If the price goes down below this one, where the price could reach is this one here, 1.0721. We can see this is the first also support level in between the biggest one, which is below is 1.05825. But we can count that the price will try to reach the first one, this one, 1.071, and the second one as this one, 1.06, before the price continues to go down to 1.058. So this is the first level that needs to be broken in order to fall even more down. But if the price goes up and the price reverses, this is the first level, 1.08846, that the price needs to make a breakout in order to continue to rise in value and try to reach again 1.09860. These are the critical levels on the weekly time frame, and I will see on the daily how this looks. On the daily, what we can see, a very important level is this one here, where the price currently is, and it is the lower side of this demand zone. We can see in the past, when the price goes down, the price reaches this demand zone and needs to be broken in order to fall even more down. And this we can see in the 2 times when the price was dropping, the price has stopped around this level and then retraced back up before falling even more down in the third attempt. We can see it here. So this is the same scenario I'm expecting, where the price will try to reach 1.076, bounce back up, and we will see will the price manage to stay below, which will be information as a continuation that the price will continue to make a breakout, a bearish one as a valid one. So this is a very important level for the price. In the reverse direction, which means the opposite side, the price goes up. This is the first level that needs to be broken, 1.085, in order for the price to reach 1.088, which is a great supply zone. Here we can see where the price had problems reaching higher price levels. This is a attempt when the price was trying to make a breakout, a bullish one, but this was a failed one because the next candle has returned back down, and we can see the price continue to fall even more down. So this is what I'm expecting here, what could happen. next week, but we will see will the price manage to make this bearish breakout. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.